Okay, here's a good way to lose a tire. I don't know if you can see that out of my shadow. Elk antler. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. So that would be out of a fairly smallish bull, but a reasonably mature bull. Legal to be shot in September time. 5-pointer. Yeah, these make a nice job of tires, these buggers do. I found the other one about a week ago when I was driving through here with a pickup, so I'm glad I found this one. Just touched it there with the discs. I'm glad it was off to the side and not under the tractor. Anyway, be useful for hanging coats and hats on. Talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye bye.